Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to talk about AI. Well, let's just be honest for a second. I also use AI a lot. And it's everywhere. It's fast, it's smart, but is it always reliable? Can you always trust it? Well, not really. AI generated code can be outdated, mess up memory management, or even try talking to databases that don't even exist. That's where AI Detector Code Pro comes in. It's a powerful tool which pinpoints parts of your code that were generated by AI so that you can catch potential issues before they're running the bugs in production. Simple, right? I am now logged into my account on AI Detector Pro website, and this is the dashboard. Let's just click new AI scan to see what it actually does for us. As you can see here, it works with, first of all, JavaScript, just because I like it, Java, C#, Python, and PHP. So no matter what your code might, it has got you covered. And again, just to be clear, it doesn't rewrite or fix mistakes, because let's be honest, debugging is a human job. AI can help, but it's you who shows quality. Alright, let's just put it on Java for now, and let's start with a Java snippet that I have copied from an AI model, analyze it and see what happens. Boom, the report is in. The tool gives us a breakdown of AI probability in the code. Also, we can see the details here by clicking on the content. We can check out the details and look at this. 98% of the code is AI generated. The yellow parts are suspected as AI generated, not really sure about that. The red parts are definitely AI, and the black parts are written by human according to the tool. Now let's actually try something different. This time I will analyze a Java snippet that I know was written by a human. These are some override methods. Let's analyze them. Yes. This time the tool confirms these Java methods are human code. Checking the details, most of the code is black, meaning human code. Of course, with a few yellow spots marked as suspicious. So guys, this one's for you. You can use AI coding assistants, but this tool helps you catch buggy AI code fast before you deliver to clients. Fewer problems, happier clients, more contracts. So AI code, absolutely awesome, but blindly trusting it, not so much. With this tool, you stay in control, no hidden AI generated bug, no guesswork, just clean, accountable code. I put the link in the description for you. Try using AI Detector Pro Code today.